Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a really interesting topic, setting up OpenCode locally using the free Kimi 2.6 model. So here I've built an interactive website using AI agents. Just look at this loading animation. Wow, beautiful homepage, smooth animations, clean UI. Check out this page transition. And here's the light mode. Even the contact page looks amazing. This entire website was created using an AI agent. So if you also want to build something like this, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for OpenCode. Go to the official website. Now we'll use Bun for installation, so first we need to install Bun. Open a new tab and search for Bun install Windows PowerShell. Open the official Bun website. Here select PowerShell and copy the install command. Now come back to VS Code, open the terminal and paste the command. Hit enter and wait a few seconds. Alright, Bun is now installed successfully. Now go back to the OpenCode website. Copy the Bun install command for OpenCode. Come back to VS Code again, paste the command into the terminal and wait for the installation to finish. Done. Now type OpenCode in the terminal and hit enter. If the command doesn't work, don't worry. Use the additional command I'll provide in the description. Then try running OpenCode again. And now OpenCode is successfully installed. Next step, Cloudflare setup. Open your browser and search for Cloudflare. Create your account and log in. After logging in, go to the AI section and open Workers AI. Now click on REST API. Then click on Create OPI token. Give your token any name. I'll name mine : Now click Create. Copy the generated API token and come back to OpenCode. Inside OpenCode, type /con and press enter. You'll see the connector options. Search for Cloudflare Workers AI and hit enter. Now paste your API token and press enter again. Next, select the model associated with Cloudflare Workers AI. I personally recommend Kimi 2.6 because it's really powerful and free to use. And that's it, your setup is complete. Now let's test it with a prompt. I'll type, create a web page that shows like and subscribe to the channel using good fonts and modern UI. Now hit enter and give it a few seconds to generate the result. And finally, it's done. Let's check the output. Wow, you can see the outstanding result generated completely by AI. So yeah, that's it for this video. Enjoy building with OpenCode and Kimi 2.6. See you in the next one.